Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. We really appreciate you following. And for those that aren't, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. Hit that gray bell. You'll get notifications when anything new is posted. So I placed another order from Daily Charme where I get all my Swarovski crystals to prepare for Valentine's Day. I got some really, really gorgeous Valentine's themed little packs that they had. And I'll just show these to you. They're so pretty. I bought like 3 packs of the flat backs and 1 of the pointed backs. I don't use the pointed backs quite as often, but I just wanted to put these out so you can see how amazingly gorgeous they are. They're just so pretty, so sparkly. There's kind of a pearl one. There's some little stars, really pretty. Lighter, a little darker pink, some larger ones. So just kind of a little variety pack. So you could, you know, do all kinds of fun Valentine's Day stuff with those and just, I mean, look at them sparkle. There's nothing better. But I had kind of a funny thing happen. They were also offering like a Valentine's mystery bag. It was $25. You don't know what comes in it. They just throw things in there. And I've bought these mystery boxes, mystery bags before. Sometimes they're fantastic. The Young Nails unboxing for their mystery bags for mystery boxes for Black Friday, which I will link up in the corner for you. Amazing, that pack that they did for Black Friday, and I can't wait until Black Friday this year because it's going to be awesome. I've had other ones that I've ordered before. I've ordered from Maniology where I get my stamping plates, and some great stuff came in that one, but you just never know. Sometimes it's kind of stuff they're just getting rid of. And so I wanted to share with you what the Valentine's mystery bag from Daily Charme, because a funny thing happened. So I was on Instagram yesterday, I think it was, on a plane heading back home, and I was scrolling through the Daily Charme, Instagram popped up, and it was this video, and they were making these awesome little gems that you could put your own glitter and hard gel in, and then you put it in the light. It's like a silicone mold, and then you put it in your UV or LED light, and it makes these like custom made little charms. You can, you know, embed them under gel or acrylic if you wanted, or you could put them on top. And I was just like, oh no. And I commented and I said, I just placed an order. I wish I had seen this. And they commented back and said, oh, we have really fast shipping. So it's, you know, you'll still get it for Valentine's Day. Because I had commented that I had already made a Valentine's Day order. And it was funny because I got home from that trip and my package had been delivered, and I opened it up, and what else was inside but the mold. So this is it, and I'm going to show you all the stuff that came in this mystery bag. Now, I'm going to say as a disclaimer, I don't know that these are all the same. So if you order a mystery bag from them, I cannot in any way guarantee that you will get all the same stuff that I did, but I will say that this is one of the best little mystery bags, you know, that I've bought, like thrown in on an order. It came with a lot of really great stuff. So I'll show you real quick. We'll get into it. So this is the silicone mold. So it's bendable, flexible. It's really cute, and it has a couple different sizes. So you can really customize and make, imagine, you know, you put some hard gel in there, and then different glitters or things like that. If you have anything else, foils or anything that you want to put on there, you could definitely make your own little gems kind of to put on there, which I thought was really cool. And they do have other like molds that you can get. So obviously this is hearts. It's for Valentine's Day. So that came in there. Really adorable nail stickers. I'm not really a huge nail sticker person, but these are so cute. Little hearts, eyes, things like that. So I will definitely be using these. Super exciting. And then they threw in some gems and Swarovskis. So I'll show you the Daily Charme ones. Some little gold hearts. some bigger gold pieces on there that you can stick in, some really cute little just pastel dots that will be adorable to use, and then little foam hearts. If you guys remember the fruit nails that were huge this last summer, 2019, and so these are just some little foam hearts that you can put in, which are awesome. And then they also included these little Swarovski pink and the little pearls, which are so cute. So those are going to be added in with all these other Swarovskis that I got. And then on top of all that, which, this mystery bag was $25, you guys. It was like the best buy ever. So they also sent these cute charms, and they're just all different. So here's like a little arrow that's really cute. That one's really pretty and sparkly. So just a bunch of different ones that's like heart with wings, which is going to be really cool. You can put these on top. You can, you know, put them in gel, encapsulate them in gel. And then I also got the Spring Violet metallic glitter, which is so pretty. Just a really beautiful fine purple glitter, and I'll totally use that. And then they also sent these really cute little pastel iridescent hearts. Absolutely will use these. They are so cute. I love anything with hearts, just in general, all year long. And then they sent this this really pretty glitter mix. So it's like some iridescent circles and some small glitter, and then the little long skinny ones. And it's just really pretty. So that will be great to add in. So like, for example, I could put some gel in here, throw some of this glitter in there, and make my own, you know, you put it in the light to harden it, and you have your own little gems that you made or whatever. Put all kinds of stuff in there. And then this I was ridiculously excited about, because I have been eyeing this Aurora Fairy Dust because they advertise it a ton on Instagram, and it is so cool. So I'm going to be using this in a mani like ASAP, probably the next one that I do. I took off my acrylics, so I've got just some gel polish on my nails for a couple days. Just while I was doing some stuff I wanted short nails for. So this will definitely be used. So all of this stuff here, not these, but just so you know, all of this stuff here came in that $25 bag. I mean, that's a lot of stuff. Like this by itself, I think is like $7 or $9. The fairy dust is like full size. It's not like a teeny tiny little sample, 4 grams. It's a big one. This is huge. So, I just wanted to share that with you because it was a huge surprise to me. Funny little story to go along with it about how I was commenting. So of course, then I get home and I open my package and I commented back again. I said, you'll never guess what was in my Valentine's mystery bag, the mold that I was just commenting about. So, you know, they said they were really happy for me, and I was really great. So Daily Charme, fantastic company. I get majority of my Swarovski crystals from them, and they just have such fun glitter and all kinds of cutouts and things like that. So definitely check them out. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Once again, please subscribe, comment down below if there's anything that you'd like to see coming up, anything that you're curious about, and I'll be happy to try and get a video put together for you as soon as possible. Thanks again for joining me on the Maniac. We'll check you next time.